Concrete floors in your home can be transformed to look absolutely beautiful by simply treating them to a new coat of paint. Plascon have a floor paint which is designed for use on both interior and exterior concrete floors. Application of floor paint follows the 3-step painting rule: clean, prime and paint. Wash the floor down thoroughly and sweep the surface with a bristle broom to get rid of loose dirt. If necessary, wash off grease with a degreaser, as paint will not adhere to an oily or greasy surface. Now we're ready to apply the first top coat. Before you stir it up, add 1 scoop per litre of Plascon's grip additive to promote grip when walking on the floor. It's really easy to apply, starting with the edging and then rolling on the paint. The paint is very durable, being resistant to water, oil and household chemicals such as acids and detergents. Fit a broom handle or an extension pole to a roller handle and roll the paint onto the floor standing up. Work in small squares that are about 2 square meters in size and work from one side of the room towards the door so that you can make your escape from the room when you're finished. A roller cover with a medium nap will work well, and you'll be able to cover quite a large area without having to refill the roller too often. Floors take a beating that walls are not subjected to. You need that extra durability that's in floor paint to produce a lovely finish that'll last for many years. And one really nice feature is that it's water-based, and so clean-up at the end of the job is with soap and water. The first coat should be dry and ready for the final coat in about 4 hours. The final coat goes on really fast. It's important to do 2 medium top coats. Thick coats of paint are never a good idea as they may not cure correctly, so spread the paint out to achieve a medium thickness cover.